Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope so. You all are fine and healthy. As due to lockdown, we are not able to attend the school regularly. So, we, the teachers of Vision, decided to give you online education. Hope so. You all will enjoy it and try to understand whatever we are teaching to you. We will give our 100% for you all so that you all can get good education. Okay, first chapter of EVS is Poonam's Day Out. In this chapter we will learn about different animals and how they are classified according to their habitat and food. Habitat means the place where they live, and you all know what is food, right? Because on our earth thousands of animals are living, but they are different from each other. So in this chapter we will learn how to classify them in different category as per their habitat and food. हम इस चैप्टर में सीखेंगे कि एनिमल्स को क्लासीफाई कैसे करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द फूड, कैसे वो अलग अलग टाइप्स का खाना खाते हैं और अलग अलग जगहों पे वो रहते हैं. So here is the first type of animal according to the habitat, that is terrestrial animals. Here one picture is given, you can see it clearly that it is a lion. Now see the first point which is given, they live on land. It means that terrestrial animal totally live on land. They can't fly or they can't live in water. They totally live or spend their whole life on the लैंड, वो पूरा अपना जीवन लैंड पे ही बिताते हैं, राइट. सेकंड, सी द सेकंड पॉइंट, दे हैव लेग्स टू मूव अराउंड और स्केल. सो the terrestrial animals most of have legs so that they can walk around, so that they can move for the food from one place to another place, right. They have fur on their bodies. If you have seen a dog, then goat, sheep, then this lion, mostly they all have hair or fur, right, on their body. It protect them from the heat and even for the cold also, right. So naturally they got adaptation to protect themselves from the heat and cold. Then see the next point, they have lungs to breathe. Yes, we, even we the human beings also have lungs. हम हमारे अंदर भी लंग्स आते, राइट. तो सेम वे दे हैव लंग्स टू ब्रेथ. सो दिस इज द फोर्थ point. Now see the last point, they have well developed sense organ. As compared to our human beings, their sense of organs are powerful than us. You have seen the dog, it can smell far away from our house which food is going to be prepared in our house, right. So they have very good smell organs, sense organs. They can smell very good, very clearly, right. Even they can feel also more powerful than us. Then we will move further. Opposite of terrestrial, terrestrial means the animals, ऐसे animals जो ज़मीन पर रहते हैं, right. And we'll move further. We'll see, so you can see a picture of a fish. Who will tell me where this fish live? Yes, most of you all know that it lives in water, and their habitat are ocean, sea, river, pond. So mostly they means all the fishes or another aquatic animals such as whale, dolphin, they pass their whole life in water only because they cannot live without water. Even they can't breathe in air because they absorb the oxygen which is dissolved in water with the help of gills which they have. Okay, so here and they are adapted to live in water. They can't live on land, right? So aquatic animals are the animals which live on water, right? Then the last point, aquatic animals are born alive or hatch eggs. Means some fishes and some aquatic animals give birth to their young ones or they hatch eggs, right? Like turtle, if you have seen, they hatch eggs. Even some small fishes also hatch eggs. उनके अंडों में से फिर बच्चे निकलते हैं और कोई कोई ऐसे एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स होते हैं जो डायरेक्ट उनके जैसे बच्चों को जन्म देते हैं. सो दिस इज द reproductive system of the aquatic. Move further, and the next animals are aerial animals. Means they spend most of times in the air. Now who will tell me which type of animal spend time in air? Buffalo? No. Cow? No. Lion? No. They can't fly because they don't have wings. Yes, very good. Birds. So most of birds are all aerial animals. See the first point. देखो पहला point. Spend most of time in air. Birds को देखा है आपने? How they fly? Yes, they fly with the help of their what? With their wings. They have two legs. Most of all the birds have two legs. Hatch from eggs. They give eggs and they hatch it, and after that the baby come out from the eggs. उनके अंडों में से ही बच्चे निकलते हैं. They have light bodies with feathers, right? उनकी बॉडी कैसी होती है? दे लाइट मीन्स हल्की. इफ़ दे आर हैवी दे कांट फ्लाई. सो भगवान ने उनको उस तरह से ही बनाया है. दे आर द बॉडी आर लाइट एंड फेदर्स. दे हैव फेदर्स. दे हैव हॉलो एंड लाइट बोन्स. उनके जो हड्डी होती है वो वजन में बहुत ही कम होती है और हॉलो मीन्स अंदर से खोखली होती है, राइट? राइट, द बोन्स आर लाइट एंड हॉलो so that they can fly easily in the sky, and most fly with wings. Most of all the birds, either it is small or it is big. Sparrow is a small bird, whereas the eagle is a big bird, but they have wings through which they can fly. Now we'll move further, and the next type of animals are amphibians. Now you were thinking, maybe what are called amphibian animals? Yes, it is a little bit strange because this type of animals used to live both in water and on land. ये ऐसे टाइप्स के एनिमल्स है जो लैंड पे भी रहते हैं और पानी में भी. दे ले एग्स. वो अपने बच्चों को जन्म नहीं देते डायरेक्ट. दे यूज टू ले एग्स. लेग्स हेल्प देम टू मूव एंड स्विम. उनको उनके पाँव हेल्प करते हैं चलने के लिए और स्विम करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉग, इट कैन होप ऑन द लैंड. मतलब वो कूदता है, इफ यू हैव सीन, right? And in pond or in river or wherever the water is present, right, that frog can swim with the wave feet. आप देखो उनके पैर वेव है, मतलब जॉइंट है, देखो बीच में से दो उंगलियों के बीच में, राइट? सो दैट इज कॉल्ड वेव फीट. इट हेल्प द फ्रॉग to swim in the water. Have moist skin. You don't know, but the frog used to breathe with the help of skin also, and they have moist skin. They breathe through the skin and lungs. They have both skin and lungs, so they breathe with the help of their skin. अपनी स्किन से और लंग से दोनों से वो ब्रीथ कर सकते हैं, राइट? Move on the last type of animal according to the habitat. Arboreal animals means the animals who pass most of their time on trees. They are land animals, but they used to live on the tree. Can you give me one example if you have seen any animals living on the tree? Yes, good, squirrel, right? The squirrel pass it whole life, most of time of his life on the tree. They have claws with sharp nails so that they can hold the branch, right? They have strong arms and legs to climb out trees. Anyone tell me another example? Okay, think about it and write down in your notebook. So for today it is enough. In the next